scars will slowly fade, intertwined in threads of blue and gray. Our colors overlap but never blend together. They unravel at the fact that nothing lasts forever. Yeah. Let the stones pass and bring out all the rain will go through empty streets, wash it all away. In the long cold night, from beyond the pale will never reach us. Through the road to Nightingales, you're my nightingale. Give it time, our bones will surely ache down your spine. The shivers overtake the feelings of regret and sorrows made to numb. They whisper in your ear, the worst is yet to come. Just let the storms pass and bring out all the rain will blow through empty streets, wash it all away. In the long cold night, from beyond the pale will never reach us. From the road to Nightingales, where'd you go? Would you stay? I hate the starless skies at night and the way things change. Where'd you go? And why would you stay? I hate the starless skies at night and the way things change. Over time, our scars will slowly fade. Just let the storms pass and bring out all the rain will blow through empty streets, wash it all away. In the long cold night, from beyond the pale will never reach us. From the road to Nightingales, in your mind, in your mind.
Hey, just want to say big shout out to Qualia Coffee. Thank you so much for letting us record here and pick us.